Henry Chan asks, what should I expect with the immigration medical exam for a green card? Does it include drug tests? Well, you know, if you ask that, that means you must be worried about it. The medical exam with USCIS and frankly for a green card with a panel physician overseas focuses on several things. One is a series of vaccines that you have to get unless you have evidence that you've taken them. One of the new vaccines is the COVID-19 vaccine. That's a requirement. They also test you for tuberculosis, gonorrhea, syphilis. A lot of people overseas will give a false positive for tuberculosis or TB as it's well known. So you might have to do a chest x-ray. And then that's that. They also ask for two other things, which is any psychological history of issues of harming yourself, harming others, because that could be a problem. And then finally, they ask about drug use, which could be also considered a health situation, and because you might be an addict. And so they don't typically do drug tests. Frankly, some lawyers say they do automatically, some consular officers they do, but in reality, they don't typically, unless a doctor thinks they want to, feels like they should, and they can't. So does it include a drug test? Not typically, unless a doctor wants it to include a drug test. They have some sort of suspicion. Many times they do drug tests because the client says, I've done drugs. They ask them, do you do any drugs? They say, yeah, I smoke some marijuana. And wrong answer, you're gonna get a drug test. Right answer, whatever. I'm not saying to say a lie or anything like that. I was like, I should backtrack that. But the reality is, if you tell them it's bad, if they drug test you because they feel like it is bad, that's the truth, and you got to tell the truth. So don't do drugs. But that's when it comes down to medical exam, and that's that. Just make sure you complete it. Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.